Assalamu alaikum children. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our maths lesson 1. Before starting it, please place your maths notebook in front of you. Our first lesson is counting from 501 to 600. When we think about maths, what comes in our mind? Yes, numbers. First, I explain you the place value chart. Look at this chart. O stand for ones, T stand for tens, H stand for hundred, TH stand for thousand. Okay children, if the number is 1, 2, 3, 6. How we write in place value chart? Look at the chart. First we write ones, and the ones is, look at the chart, ones is 6. The number, then tens. Okay, it is 2-digit number. The number is 3. We write in the tens column. The third is 100. The third number is 100. 100 is 3-digit number, and we write 2 in 100 column. Last column is 1000, and 1000 is 4-digit number. We write 1 in 1000 column. Okay children, now I think you understand the place value chart. Okay children, now move forward to the notebook work. First you will make the title page of term 1 with your blue color. Look at term 1. This page. First put the date and day. Now write the caption. Write in figures 501 to 600 with your blue color. After this, leave the line. Leave one block and write HTU. Leave the block, write HTU. Again leave the block, write HTU. Again leave the block, write HTU. Now turn the page and complete your work like this. Assalamu alaikum children. Our second topic is about even and odd number. Children, this topic you already done in your previous class. Today I will give you a quick review. Look at the definitions on your screen. Definition of even number: a number which is divided by 2 with no remainder are called even number. बेटा वो तमाम नंबर्स जो 2 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं हम उनको इवन नंबर कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑड नंबर: all the numbers which are not divided by 2 are called odd numbers. बेटा वो तमाम नंबर्स जो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते हैं उनको हम odd numbers कहते हैं. Now look at the number line. First number is 0 and 0 is even number. Second number is 1. 1 is odd number. 2 is even number. 3 is odd number. 4 is even number. 5 is odd number. 6 is even number. 7 is odd number. 8 is even number. 9 is odd number. Now children, you complete your classwork. and write even and odd number on your notebooks from 1 to 100.
Assalamu alaikum children. Hope you all are fine. Today we start our book work. Student, first you take out your countdown book 2. Now children, I write few numbers on the board and you tell me which number is bigger. 18 or 19? Which number is bigger? Yes, 19 is the bigger number. Next, 14 or 24. Which number is bigger? Yes, 24 is the bigger number. In the last, 53 or 51. Which number is bigger? Yes, 53 is the bigger number. Now children, here I show you a crocodile. This crocodile likes to eat bigger numbers. Always remember, crocodile like to eat bigger numbers. The next picture, see the next picture. What is it? Yes, it is a crocodile mouth. Now, open up page number 2. Date will be on left side. Put the date on the left side and day will be on right side. Children, remember this topic you already done before. Let's begin. I am doing a part for you. 18 or 19. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 19 is bigger number. As you know, crocodile like to eat bigger numbers. So, crocodile mouth will be open to the side of 19. Next, 14 or 24. Which number crocodile like to eat? Yes, 24. So, you draw the crocodile mouth on 24 side. Now children, you complete the exercise 2, page 2 by the help of your parents. Now, move forward to the next topic. And next topic is about before, after and between. Look at the number line.
Now move forward to the next topic. The topic is about before, after, between. Look at the number line and tell me the answer. What comes before 5? Look at the number line. What comes before 5? Yes, the answer is 4. Now children, tell me what comes after 5? Yes, the answer is 6. And what comes between 4 and 6? Look at the number line and give me the answer. 4 and 6. Which number between 4 and 6? Yes, the answer is 5. Children, you already done this topic in class 1. Now open page 2, exercise 3. The first column is about before. Look at the number 29. What comes before 29? Yes, 28 comes before 29. What comes before 54? Yes, The answer is 53 comes before 54. The next column about after. Look at the column after, please. Yes. First number is 34, and what comes after 34? The answer is 35. Next line 77. What comes after 77? Yes, the answer is 78. And the last column is about between. Look at your book. 22, 23 and 24. Between 22 and 24, what comes? Yes, answer is 23. The next line, what comes between 39 and 41? Think about it. Yes, between 39 and 41, which number comes? Yes, 40. Now put the date and day on page number 2 and complete exercise 3.
Now children, open page number 3, exercise 4. Question is, put these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. We start from the smaller number. Now look at the part 1 which is already done for you. 11, 17, 49, 82, 6 and 32. Okay children, now tell me which number come first. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 6. Then 11. After 11, 17. Then 32, 49 and 82. We arrange the ascending order numbers. Now start part B. Read these numbers. Okay. 14, 87, 27, 19, 86 and 78. Tell me student, which number is the smallest number? Now children, open page 3, exercise 5. Question is, put these numbers in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. We choose the bigger number first. A part is already done for you. Only I will explain you. Read the numbers 66, 14, 41, 63, 68 and 37. Which is the biggest number? Tell me बच्चों, biggest number बताइए. Yes, 68. We write 68. What comes after 68? Yes, 66. Then 66. Then 63, 41, 37 and in the last the smaller number will come. And the smaller number is 14. We start with the bigger number and end with the smaller number. Children, we will start part B. First, we read the numbers 2, 58, 77, 100, 49 and 99. Children, tell me which is the biggest number? Yes, 100 is the biggest number and we write here. Put the comma. Now, which is the bigger number after 100? Yes, 99. Next, Tell me which number comes? 49. No, 49 is not the bigger number. It is the smaller number. So we write 77. After 77, we write 58. Then 49 comes, and in the last, the smaller number will come. And the smaller number is 2. We start in descending order with 100 and end with the smaller number 2. You complete exercise 5, page 3 with the help of your children. Now our new topic is place value. Open page 4. First, children, you put the date and day. Exercise 6. How many tens, how many ones? Count and write. Children, all of you know that in place value chart, first comes ones, then tens. In this part, children, the single pencils represent ones and the box of pencils represent tens. Now children, count single pencils. 1, 2, 3. It means 3 ones. Now count the box of tens. Here is only one box, so we write 1. 1 tens. Now children, read tens and ones together and write here. 1 10 and 3 ones, 13. Now children, I will repeat. 1 10, 3 ones is equal to 13. Now children, we will start part B. First, we will count single pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write 6 in the blank of ones. Now we start to count the box of tens. How many boxes are there? There are 2 boxes, 1 and 2. We will write 2 in the blank of tens. Now children, join tens and ones together. 2 tens and 6 ones is equal to 26. 2 tens and 6 ones is equal to 26. Now children, you will complete page 4. Now children, you will complete exercise 6 with the help of your parents and given examples.